mowinjore. Kinde ni ma jopuonjre mag grade 10 donje skul e pacho kama ngima, jonyuol ywago pek mar ngima, gino mamonogi yudo omenda ma dwarore mag somo. Kagilose kinde ma chenro mag donje skul dhi nyime, jonyuol e skunde kata skul mag Siaya kaachiel gi Kiang'inda e kaunti ma Nyamira lero ni pod moko kuomgi nigi pek ni mar pok dwachgi mar loko sikunde ne nyithigi oketi e tim. Kaka kamano moko kuom jotend skunde lero ni gibedo gi winjruok gi jonyuol e lai mar chulo omenda mag somo mos mondo nyithindgi odonje skul gie sani.
We as parents, we are having a lot of problems. There is a lot of problems, there is a lot of challenges that we are facing in this area. Number one, there are those boys who are selected or who are placed in girls' school. Now, as parents, we fail to understand whether we are going to buy all the items needed for this boy to report to the girls' school. Like now, there are students who were placed in day schools in Ikimana, Kajiado County. Are they going to report? And these are girls. Are they going to report to Kajiado? Are they going to report to Logijogio in Turkana? Day schools, imagine. We have tried to make sure that we change the schools for these students. It is now, it is not working. The system is not working. Only what we receive is a decline.
Ile changamoto tumeona mtoto mwenye nilikuja na yeye ashua mimi sasa hakuwa ameitwa katika hii shule ya Gesiaga, lakini wakati nimemleta nimetumwa nikatafuta hiyo barua yenye alikuwa ametumiwa kwa mtandao na ndio nimeleta, alafu kwa mmemruhusu kuingia ndani. Lakini ile tatizo tumesikia sasa, hatujui kwa sasa tutafanya aje. Ni tukienda mambo ya kulipiwa karo na serikali, tumesikia itaenda kwa ile shule nyingine yenye alitumiwa kwa mtandao.